What is the largest single-engine turbine aircraft manufactured today? Which airplane has accumulated over 9.2 million flight hours? What well-known airplane flies each and every day and night with a dispatch reliability rate of over 98%? If you're involved in aviation in any way, you probably already know the answer. It's the Cessna Caravan. Now numbering 1,600 strong and operated in 68 countries around the world. This is the most versatile aircraft in the world, available in 4 different models. Here is the Grand Caravan, Cessna's most popular selling caravan model, ideal for personal or business transport. And arriving now is a van full of passengers going on an extended vacation. There's room for up to 10 people with all their luggage, a feat that few single-engine aircraft can accomplish today. This Grand Caravan is equipped with an Oasis interior designed by Yingling Aviation especially for caravans. It's one of the most popular ways to travel in comfort and style. The caravan's spacious cabin with a wide flat floor facilitates easy boarding for all passengers, and the Oasis seats are fully adjustable for maximum comfort. All Cessna Caravans are designed to land almost anywhere, including grass or gravel landing strips. This tough caravan landing gear extends your travel options from the largest cities to the most remote locations imaginable. Now let's take a look at the utility version of this unique aircraft, which was the original concept for the Grand Caravan, and still one of the most popular applications. This Grand Caravan is delivering both people and cargo to a remote location. In this configuration, seats can be removed in just minutes, allowing infinite configurations of people or cargo. With a large side cargo door, palleted items can easily be loaded by forklift. Even with cargo on board, the air stair door provides easy access for passengers, and seat placements are infinitely adjustable to allow passengers plenty of room. Within minutes, both cargo and passengers are loaded, and this Grand Caravan is ready for takeoff. The capability to turn caravan flights rapidly contributes to a high level of profitability for the operator. Now, let's take a look at the other caravan models that are available. This is the Super Cargo Master, which is the same size as the Grand Caravan, but in a less expensive cargo-only version. Federal Express has over 250 of these caravans, and their fleet maintains a dispatch reliability rate in excess of 98%. This is the Caravan 675, which is 4 feet shorter than the Grand Caravan, but with all the same equipment. And this is the Caravan 675 Amphibian, equipped with whipline floats. It is the largest single-engine float plane manufactured today. All 4 caravan models offer some common benefits, the level of which only Cessna can provide. Your choice of Bendix King or Garmin fully integrated avionics. Comprehensive flight and ground school training from Flight Safety. Maintenance engineer training. Full warranty and a host of other industry-leading support programs, all available with every new Caravan. The Cessna Caravan, the largest single-engine aircraft manufactured today. Excellent for corporate or personal use. Profitable freight hauler, ideal for mixed people freight missions. King of the floatplanes, plus hundreds of other uses limited only by one's imagination.